Ladies and gentlemen, when we think about medicine, we often picture pills, prescriptions, and hospitals. But the truth is, some of the most powerful medicines on earth don't come from a pharmacy. They grow in the ground. Today, I want to share with you 4 remarkable vegetables that science has shown can help the body defend itself against cancer and chronic disease. These are not exotic or expensive, they're humble, everyday foods that can transform health when used with purpose. 1. Broccoli, the defender against cancer. Broccoli isn't just a green side dish, it's a biological powerhouse. It contains a natural compound called sulforaphane, which activates the body's own defense enzymes. These enzymes help detoxify harmful substances, protect DNA, and even shut down blood vessels that feed cancer cells. When you eat broccoli, especially lightly steamed or chopped raw, you're not just eating vegetables, you're activating your body's self-defense system. 2. Spinach. The cellular shield. Spinach is packed with lutein, zeaxanthin, and chlorophyll, all of which play a vital role in protecting our cells. Its antioxidants help neutralize free radicals, those unstable molecules that can damage cells and trigger inflammation. Studies show that people who consume leafy greens like spinach have a lower risk of heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. In short, spinach keeps your cells young, your blood clean, and your immune system sharp. 3. Garlic. Nature's antibiotic. For thousands of years, garlic has been used not just for flavor but for healing. Modern science confirms that allicin, the compound released when garlic is crushed, has anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and anti-cancer properties. Garlic can block cancer-promoting enzymes, support detoxification in the liver, and even reduce blood pressure. Just 1 or 2 cloves a day, raw or gently cooked, can make a measurable difference in your body's resilience. 4. Tomatoes, the cellular repair agent. The deep red color of tomatoes comes from lycopene, one of the most powerful antioxidants known. Lycopene protects cells from oxidative stress and helps prevent DNA damage, a key factor in cancer development. Interestingly, when tomatoes are cooked with a bit of healthy fat like olive oil, the body absorbs lycopene even better. That means your pasta sauce or tomato soup isn't just delicious, it's medicinal. Conclusion: let food be your first line of defense. Every time you sit down to eat, you're making a choice that either strengthens or weakens your health. Vegetables like broccoli, spinach, garlic, and tomatoes are not just ingredients, they are information for your body, sending messages to your cells that say heal, repair, and defend. So, the next time you fill your plate, remember, you hold the power to fight disease right at the end of your fork. Eat wisely, live vibrantly, and let your food become your medicine. Thank you. Food is more than just fuel, it's information for the body. Every bite we take sends signals to our cells, influencing how they grow, repair, and defend themselves. When we look at health and healing through this lens, we realize that food has the power to act as medicine. This isn't a new concept. Ancient traditions have long emphasized the connection between what we eat and how we feel. However, modern science now provides the evidence that certain foods can activate biological systems that protect us from disease. Among these foods, vegetables stand out as nature's most potent defenders. They contain compounds that can reduce inflammation, neutralize toxins, and even interfere with the processes that allow diseases like cancer to grow. When we talk about food as medicine, we're really talking about the body's natural defense systems. The human body has 5 major systems that keep us healthy: angiogenesis C, which controls blood vessel growth; regenerations, which helps tissues healed; the microbiome I, our gut bacteria, DNA protection, and immunity. The beauty of vegetables is that they can support all of these systems simultaneously. Each vegetable offers a unique combination of phytochemicals, antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that communicate with our biology on a cellular level. These nutrients don't work like drugs that target one problem. Instead, they help restore balance and strengthen the body's own ability to resist disease. Consider how the process of angiogenesis works. It's the body's way of growing new blood vessels when needed and pruning away the excess when not. This process is essential for healing wounds and maintaining healthy tissues. But when angiogenesis becomes unbalanced, it can lead to disease. Too many blood vessels can feed tumors and help cancer grow. Too few can cause tissue damage and poor circulation. Certain vegetables, like broccoli, kale, and tomatoes, contain natural inhibitors that help keep this process in check, preventing the formation of new blood vessels that would otherwise feed cancer cells. This is a powerful example of how eating the right foods can influence something as fundamental as how blood flows in the body. Vegetables also protect our DNA from damage, one of the earliest steps in the development of cancer. Every day, our cells are bombarded by free radicals and toxins from pollution, stress, and even normal metabolism. If left unchecked, these unstable molecules can damage the genetic code inside our cells, leading to mutations that promote disease. Vegetables such as spinach, carrots, and leafy greens are rich in antioxidants like vitamin C, beta-carotene, and flavonoids that neutralize these harmful molecules. In doing so, they act like a biological shield, preserving the integrity of our DNA and reducing the risk of disease over time. The immune system, too, depends heavily on nutrients derived from vegetables. Compounds in garlic, onions, and cruciferous vegetables like cabbage and cauliflower help regulate immune cell activity, allowing the body to distinguish between healthy cells and potential threats. When the immune system is strong, it can detect and destroy abnormal cells before they become cancerous. When it's weak or overstimulated, chronic inflammation can set in, creating an environment where disease thrives. Vegetables contain natural anti-inflammatory agents that calm the immune response and promote balance. Moreover, vegetables play a vital role in nurturing the gut microbiome, the community of trillions of bacteria that live inside our intestines. These bacteria influence everything from metabolism to mood, and they're deeply linked to immunity and inflammation. High-fiber vegetables like broccoli, asparagus, and leafy greens provide the prebiotics that feed beneficial gut microbes. A healthy microbiome, in turn, produces compounds that strengthen the gut lining, reduce inflammation, and even support brain health. When we understand food as medicine, eating vegetables becomes more than just a healthy habit. It becomes an act of self-care and empowerment. Each meal becomes an opportunity to heal, to nourish, and to fortify the body's natural defenses. The remarkable thing is that this approach doesn't require extreme diets or expensive supplements. It begins with simple choices, adding more color to your plate, eating fresh produce daily, and embracing vegetables not as a side dish, but as the foundation of your health. In doing so, you are not only feeding your body, you are feeding your body's ability to fight disease and sustain life from within. Spinach is one of the most nutrient-dense vegetables on the planet, often referred to as a cellular shield, because of its remarkable ability to protect and rejuvenate the body at a microscopic level. Every leaf of spinach carries a blend of compounds that support the body's natural defense systems and help prevent disease. It's not just a simple leafy green. It's a biological protector packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that guard our cells from harm, improve circulation, and strengthen the immune system. At the heart of spinach's healing power are its antioxidants, especially lutein, zeaxanthin, and chlorophyll. Lutein and zeaxanthin are two carotenoids that concentrate in the retina of the eye, protecting vision from damage caused by ultraviolet light and oxidative stress. But their influence doesn't stop there. These compounds circulate throughout the body, neutralizing free radicals, unstable molecules that can damage cells and accelerate aging. By controlling oxidative stress, spinach helps maintain the integrity of cell membranes and DNA, reducing the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. Chlorophyll, the green pigment responsible for photosynthesis, also plays a vital role in human health. It has a structure similar to hemoglobin, the molecule that carries oxygen in our blood. When consumed, chlorophyll helps detoxify the body by binding to heavy metals and carcinogens, assisting the liver in eliminating harmful substances. This cleansing effect is one reason spinach has long been valued as a natural detoxifier. It supports the body's internal purification processes, allowing organs to function more efficiently and tissues to regenerate faster. Spinach is also rich in vitamins A, C, E, and K, along with iron, magnesium, and folate, which are essential for energy production, tissue repair, and immune defense. Folate in particular is crucial for DNA synthesis and repair, making it a vital nutrient for preventing mutations that could lead to cancer. Magnesium supports over 300 enzyme reactions in the body, helping regulate blood pressure, maintain muscle function, and improve insulin sensitivity. This means spinach doesn't just protect, it energizes and restores balance within the body. Another reason spinach is so effective in promoting health is its role in reducing inflammation. Chronic inflammation lies at the root of many modern diseases, from arthritis to heart conditions to metabolic disorders. The phytonutrients in spinach, flavonoids, carotenoids, and polyphenols, work together to calm this inflammation by reducing the production of inflammatory molecules. This allows cells to recover from stress and prevents the buildup of cellular damage over time. Spinach also supports gut health, an area increasingly recognized as central to immunity and overall wellness. Its high fiber content nourishes beneficial bacteria in the digestive tract, helping maintain a balanced microbiome. A healthy gut, in turn, enhances nutrient absorption, strengthens the immune system, and reduces systemic inflammation. Perhaps most importantly, spinach benefits accumulate with regular consumption. When eaten consistently, it strengthens the body's resilience from within, enhancing its ability to fend off disease. Whether blended in smoothies, added to salads, or lightly sautéed, spinach offers a simple, delicious, and scientifically supported way to protect your cells and sustain long-term vitality. In every serving, it reminds us that the path to healing can begin with something as humble and green as a handful of leaves. Garlic has been cherished for thousands of years, not only as a flavor enhancer but as one of nature's most powerful healing foods. Across civilizations, from ancient Egypt and Greece to China and India, it was recognized for its ability to prevent and treat illness. Modern science has now confirmed what our ancestors knew. Garlic is a potent natural medicine packed with compounds that protect the body from infection, inflammation, and even cancer. It is, quite literally, nature's antibiotic and one of the most remarkable vegetables for supporting long-term health. The key to garlic's healing power lies in a compound called allicin. When garlic is chopped, crushed, or chewed, an enzyme reaction converts allicin, a sulfur-containing molecule, into allicin, the substance responsible for garlic's strong smell and medicinal effects. Allicin is highly active and short-lived, but once it enters the body, it triggers a cascade of protective actions. It helps to destroy harmful bacteria, viruses, and fungi, making garlic a natural immune booster. Unlike synthetic antibiotics, garlic does not harm beneficial gut bacteria, which means it strengthens rather than disrupts the body's internal balance. Garlic's anti-inflammatory properties are another reason it is so valuable in disease prevention. Chronic inflammation is a silent driver behind many of the most common and deadly diseases, including cancer, heart disease, and diabetes. Allicin and other sulfur compounds in garlic help suppress the production of inflammatory molecules that can damage tissues over time. This anti-inflammatory effect helps calm the immune system, preventing it from attacking healthy cells and maintaining the delicate balance necessary for long-term wellness. Garlic also supports cardiovascular health in profound ways. It has been shown to lower high blood pressure, reduce total and LDL bad cholesterol, and improve circulation by preventing blood clots. These effects make it a natural ally in reducing the risk of stroke and heart attack. The sulfur compounds in garlic help relax blood vessels and improve the elasticity of arterial walls, ensuring that blood flows freely and efficiently. In this way, garlic nourishes the heart and protects one of the body's most vital systems. When it comes to cancer prevention, garlic plays a unique role. Studies suggest that garlic can inhibit the formation of carcinogenic substances, block cancer cell growth, and even trigger apoptosis, the process by which damaged or abnormal cells self-destruct. These protective effects are particularly notable in cancers of the stomach, colon, and esophagus. Regular garlic consumption strengthens the body's detoxification systems, helping the liver remove toxins before they can cause harm. In addition to its internal benefits, garlic also supports the immune system's ability to recognize and respond to threats. People who consume garlic regularly tend to recover faster from colds and infections, as it stimulates the production of white blood cells and enhances immune function. Its natural antibacterial and antiviral effects make it especially valuable during times of stress or seasonal illness. To gain the full benefit of garlic, it's best to consume it fresh and raw or lightly cooked, as high heat can destroy allicin. Crushing or chopping garlic and allowing it to rest for a few minutes before use helps activate its healing compounds. Even a small daily amount, 1 or 2 cloves, can significantly improve overall health. In essence, garlic is more than a seasoning, it's a biological weapon against disease. It cleanses the blood, strengthens the heart, defends against infection, and protects the body from the inside out. Simple, powerful, and accessible, garlic reminds us that the most extraordinary medicine often comes in the most humble form. A small clove capable of transforming health and sustaining life. Tomatoes are among the most widely eaten vegetables in the world, and yet many people don't realize how powerful they are as a source of healing and protection. Beyond their vibrant color and refreshing flavor, tomatoes are packed with bioactive compounds that help repair the body at the cellular level. They are often described as the cellular repair agent because of their ability to protect DNA, reduce inflammation, and strengthen the body's natural defenses against cancer and chronic disease. What makes tomatoes so special is that they don't just nourish the body, they actively help it heal from within. The most important compound in tomatoes is serous lycopene, a bright red carotenoid pigment responsible for their color. Lycopene is one of the most potent antioxidants found in nature, capable of neutralizing free radicals, unstable molecules that can damage DNA and lead to cancer or premature aging. Unlike many antioxidants that dissolve in water, lycopene is fat-soluble, meaning it integrates into cell membranes and helps protect them from oxidative stress. This protection is especially important for tissues that are highly active or exposed to oxygen, such as the heart, lungs, and skin. Scientific studies have shown that lycopene can reduce the risk of several cancers, including those of the prostate, lungs, and stomach. It works by interfering with the processes that promote tumor growth, such as oxidative damage, inflammation, and the formation of new blood vessels that feed cancer cells. What's fascinating is that lycopene doesn't just block damage, it also helps activate the body's repair mechanisms, encouraging cells to function more efficiently and resist mutation. This makes tomatoes a powerful ally in both the prevention and slowing of disease progression. Tomatoes also contain iris, vitamin C, beta, carotene, potassium, and folate, all of which support cardiovascular and metabolic health. Vitamin C boosts the immune system and helps regenerate other antioxidants in the body, while potassium supports healthy blood pressure and heart rhythm. Together, these nutrients help maintain balance in the circulatory system, reducing the risk of stroke and heart disease. Another remarkable feature of tomatoes is that their health benefits actually increase when they are cooked. Heating breaks down the tomato's cell walls, making lycopene more bioavailable. When combined with a healthy fat, such as olive oil, the body absorbs lycopene even more efficiently. This means that foods like tomato soup, roasted tomatoes, and pasta sauce can be both delicious and deeply healing. Cooking does not destroy their power, it enhances it. Beyond their antioxidant capacity, tomatoes have strong anti-inflammatory properties here. Chronic inflammation is one of the body's most damaging states, leading to a host of diseases including cancer, diabetes, and arthritis. The polyphenols and carotenoids in tomatoes help lower inflammatory markers in the blood and calm the immune system's overreaction. By keeping inflammation in check, tomatoes contribute to smoother blood flow, healthier tissues, and improved recovery after stress or illness. Tomatoes also play a role in skin health. The same lycopene that protects internal cells from oxidative stress also shields the skin from ultraviolet damage, reducing the impact of sun exposure and slowing visible aging. People who eat tomatoes regularly often have skin that is more resilient and youthful looking because of this internal protection. In essence, tomatoes represent the perfect blend of nourishment and protection. They are simple, accessible, and versatile, yet they carry powerful compounds that can defend the body against disease at the deepest biological level. Whether eaten raw in salads, simmered into sauces, or blended into juices, tomatoes feed the body's ability to repair, renew, and thrive. Every serving is an act of nourishment that supports longevity, vitality, and the body's natural capacity to heal itself. Every meal we eat is a choice, a decision that can either strengthen or weaken our body's natural defenses. Food is not just a source of energy, it's a form of communication with our biology. What we eat sends signals to our cells, determining how well our immune system functions, how efficiently we repair damage, and how resilient we are against disease. When we understand this, we begin to see food as our first line of defense, not our last resort. The vegetables we consume daily, such as broccoli, spinach, garlic, and tomatoes, contain natural compounds that protect our health in ways modern medicine can only begin to replicate. Our bodies are designed with extraordinary healing systems. We have mechanisms that can fight cancer cells before they grow, repair damaged DNA, and eliminate toxins. But these systems need the right fuel to function effectively. Vegetables provide exactly that. They are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, and phytochemicals that nourish and activate our body's natural repair and defense systems. Each vegetable works in its own way. Broccoli triggers detoxification enzymes and prevents abnormal blood vessel growth in tumors. Spinach provides antioxidants that protect cells. Garlic destroys harmful bacteria and reduces inflammation. And tomatoes repair DNA and prevent oxidative stress. When combined in a balanced diet, these foods create a powerful synergy that strengthens the body's ability to heal itself. This concept, that food can prevent disease, is supported by growing scientific evidence. Studies from around the world have shown that diets rich in plant-based foods are linked to lower rates of cancer, heart disease, and diabetes. These findings are not accidental. The nutrients found in vegetables help maintain our balances across all major biological systems: the immune system, metabolism, blood vessel health, and even the gut microbiome. When these systems work in harmony, the body becomes naturally resistant to disease. It's also important to recognize that these effects are not the result of short-term diets or quick fixes. True healing happens over time through a consistent nourishment. Just as disease develops gradually, so does wellness. Each serving of vegetables adds another layer of protection, strengthening cells, improving circulation, and calming inflammation. Over months and years, this lifestyle of mindful eating builds a foundation for lasting vitality. The beauty of using food as defense is its simplicity. There are no complicated rules or extreme restrictions. The key is to eat a variety of colorful vegetables, raw, steamed, roasted, or blended, and to make them the centerpiece of your meals. The more natural, unprocessed, and plant-rich your diet is, the more your body will thrive. Even small daily choices, adding an extra handful of greens, cooking with fresh garlic, or choosing a tomato-based sauce, can make a measurable difference. Ultimately, your diet is your daily medicine cabinet. The foods you choose determine how well your body resists aging, infection, and disease. Every time you sit down to eat, you have the power to influence your health at a cellular level. By filling your plate with vegetables that heal, protect, and rejuvenate, you are actively choosing to invest in your longevity. The journey to better health doesn't start in a doctor's office. It starts in the kitchen with the simple act of choosing foods that help your body do what it was designed to do, heal itself.